Oh, secular. What a day. Hot world. Baby.
It's on. Clap out.
I can never pass up. I lay it down. Long back strokes in the middle of the ocean. I'ma need that dope face down. If I get in, then I just might.
Hey, it's your boy SHANEY POO, and I want to invite all of you to the Boston Renaissance. Presented to you by Blac Pop and Scoupes Incorporated in Gallery Aida. Sunday, October 25th. Performances by SHANEY POO, yours truly, Shy Freak, EK, Philly Dimes, KO, Cyclone, Ben P, Ed Balloon, Nuff Said, and more. Doors open at 6, show 7:30. Berklee College of Music, 921 Boylston Street, 921 Boylston Street. Admission only $10.
I just take my Louis rag out and wear it.
Shabba mi kabin. Hey yo, pipi ti pi. A quoi comprendre?
C'est comme si notre femme yo disparaît. Moi dis coup pareil. Tout jeune gens connaît pas le goût de faire. Devant j'ai yo qu'on étoiles qu'a brillé. Devant j'ai yo qu'on dit va te faire passer. Gen un modèle qui fait défiler. Li sous piste là, li nan bal là, li là. Shut up, see the way. Quand total campé à ma fille, moi t'as calculé, moi pas de jambes jointes. Y'a pas de pas connaît qui est-ce qui n'a cœur, ou bien qui est-ce qui vive avec. Mais moi connais, c'est l'amour qui frappe porte caille moi. C'est pas sa raison, mais là, son coïncidence. Mon cadeau pour nous dans ça. C'est pas sans raison, mais là, sans coïncidence. Sans coïncidence. Chérie, la vie mon cadeau pour nous dans ça. Mais Kompa. soyez assez pour mieux. Oh non, non, non. C'est bon Dieu qui fait nous rencontrer. C'est de ce fait que nous croiser. Moi pas ça qui t'aime. Allez nous gagner l'autre garçon. I don't wanna waste any time with you. À l'ancienne.
Moi dis mais bon ça va finir pour le lancer. Les gars j'en parle. Non pas la moi dis comme ça va bien camper. Dans salle la moi dis là peut-être vivre. L'argent en poche moi qu'est en dépenser. Par contre qui ça qui va le passer. Non non. Ça va. Du petit pirate pour nous avoir. Mais quand même.
Yes. You know I gotta start the show off with the yeses. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what I do. Yeah. Nous branchons pour le moment là sous. Annie, quel show est-ce?
Kompa Xtreme.
Kompa Xtreme. Extreme, oui?
Extreme.
Nous avons Annie Love dans building na. DJ Final Touch dans building na. Et puis nous avons des special guests dans building na là tout. Qui est le SHANEY POO avec Wedley, right? Wedley.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Annie Love.
What's up?
Qui est là?
Bien, oui. M'a chill.
Pas chill top non? Bon frère ti ka rentre dehors là sous chill top ou ka vinn ton snowman.
No.
Comprendre? Faut take it easy. Annie Love est malade toujours.
A little bit, but you know, I'm good.
Annie toujours malade. Li toujours malade pour le bit, elle fait paraître. Elle fait paraître, li toujours font ti malade tout petit. Et puis après Kompa fin chauffer col, il fin commencer chauffer Kompa commencer rentrer dans biscuit li. Et puis s'entendait à Annie Love refait.
Mitch,
Hein?
don't make me put you on blast.
Refait. Yo, quick shout out to my homeboy Quiet Storm, DJ Quiet Storm qui t'a ben nous avec Kompa là.
Azibé.
Annie Love les nèg là Azibé carrément. Demande Annie Love chaque fois les nèg là Azibé lui dit comme ça que c'est faute Quiet Storm qui fait le Azibé parce que c'est non ça le débali et puis depuis les salles tout est non.
Yeah.
So Azibé big up there to garçon.
He's gonna kill me.
Yes, man, we have a nice show for you guys tonight, man. Nous gain qu'est-ce nous gain asseoir là cap checker avec nous pita là.
Well, you know, we have the members of CRUZ-LA that will be live on air with us. We also have our two special guests,
Yeah.
SHANEY POO, and they're gonna be talking about what they got going on. So should
Yes.
be a pretty good show.
SHANEY POO avec Wedley gon on event cap vini
25th of October.
dimanche 25 octobre. À qui l'heure?
6 p.m.
6 p.m. Yeah. Shane, est-ce que
Yes, sir. What's going on, man?
vous cachez l'autre bois là, garçon?
How's everyone doing?
Shaney Poo parler créole même créole pas fin créole pi malou que créole DJ Fano Touch.
And look at this. I only speak Creole in Haiti, okay?
Alright, vous entendez?
And maybe Miami. Just maybe.
Wedley ou même créole on point.
Ah, man. Haiti different, so.
Hey, yo, man. Stop making me look bad, man.
Creole was fantastic, so. Shaney Poo,
You are Shaney Poo. God. Yeah, man. So Shaney Poo son artiste lié d'ailleurs too. In case you didn't know, bon, back on sinap guitar. Nous ka même guitar jouer un petit track Shaney Poo à ce là. To where I'm going. Shaney Poo son artiste hip hop soul.
Hip hop pop.
Blac Pop, you ready?
Blac Pop. BLACPOP.
Si dem pop la black, e pa mette ka la dan même. BLAC. If that's it.
Do you know why? Because that stands for because love always conquers.
Wait.
Okay.
Yeah, they're trying to, hit people in that soft spot real quick.
Wait.
Because love always conquers. So what made you
What
come?
is that?
Even though we didn't interview yet, but what made you come up with that?
Just natural. The grace of the universe, God, whatever you want to call it. Just put it in my head, and I'm just here to put it on paper. Simple.
Alright. What is that? Shaney Poo Blac Pop.
Yes, sir.
Pa pop top non men. So, ça la fait la gounia là, nous parle la un petit track là, tout petit, et puis nous tourner back encore, nous parler de ça qu'a fait dimanche et 25 octobre là, qui est le Boston Renaissance. Donc, nous allons parler de toutes causes de ça, nous allons expliquer ça Boston Renaissance là, vle di, parce que nous qui pas connaît histoire Renaissance ba ça yo, hein. But it's a creative idea, so nous allons parler de ça. Et puis tout, nous avons CRUZ-LA qui a checké avec nous plus tard, là, on a fait une interview avec eux tout sur le téléphone. Comprenez? Et puis nous avons Annie Love là qui a animé nous là. Annie Love busy dans le téléphone là, la posté quelques posts là dans Facebook, dans Instagram, dans Twitter, la tweet. So nous parlons là on ti 5 étoiles là. Track ça relé You Are. Kebe là toujours. Kompa Xtreme, Hot World Radio, DJ Fano Touch, I Need Love, special guest Shaney Poo avec Wedley. Yeah.
J'aime penser yon moun te ka fèm sentim kon sa. C'est un coup tout chaleur l'amour nan kem yo envahim. Pourtant, chaque fois m'penser avant moi senti tout comme m'a prend du fait. M'a fait trembler, moi passionné. Yo toujours dit li pas bon pour yon moun faire folie. Mais faut ta di folie, sa chérie, bon moi la vie. Tellement, c'est tout pas tout passé, moi tombé, parler de où. Ma vie chanter, pour tout le monde comme ça, pour moi. Déjà dans tête, moi, you are, baby you are. Inspiration, moi, you are, baby you are. On est la vie, moi, you are. Photocopie kem En vérité parfois m'kon senti nan rêve mwen ye. Parce que tout ça mwen men non fils c'est li ou gen comme beauté. C'est ça que m'a fait pour m'gagner chéri mwen pas perdu. Ou son bénédiction nan vie mwen pas suspendi. Bon Dieu merci. Oh, moi pas vle ou douter, et m'pas vle ou penser l'amour m'a changé. Parce que gen des cadeaux, la vie a fait un nom pas courtoisie. moi pas jamais quitter au chéri. C'est que toi, nous checkons.
Laisse-moi chérie, chérie.
Moi joins tout ça besoin non déjà. Moi pas je me fais un pas. Chérie m'a prêté là. Moi joins tout ça besoin non déjà. Chérie m'a prêté là. Moi joins tout ça besoin non déjà. Moi pas je me fais un pas. Chérie m'a prêté là. Moi joins tout ça besoin non déjà.
Already know it.
Yes. That right there, c'était Allen KV. This track right there was called Lil Mama. Et pas Little Mama, Little Mama, non? Lil Mama. T'as pour Lil Wayne, but without the Wayne. So Lil Mama, one. Donc on peut dire Lil Annie Love.
Oh Jesus.
Little. But si Annie Love, ça pas n'importe si Annie Love qui là, pas n'importe Lil Annie Love qui là, son gros Annie Love, c'est son monde sérieux, bagay sérieux.
C'est pas tout le monde qui parle créole.
Pas petit fan touch like, huh?
C'est pas tout le monde qui parle créole, Captain Deno, non? You gotta mix it up.
Oh, pas tout le monde qui parle créole, Captain Deno. Non, il va aller les Kompa Xtreme. Ben, mon est bien dans la prendre parler créole, va ben avec créole.
Such a mess.
Annie Love, what's up, girl?
What's up?
So they gonna faire des birthday qu'a parler là.
Yeah, we got a big birthday shout out to Miss Kelsey. Okay, wishing you a happy birthday. Hope you're enjoying it. You know, this girl, petite Monsieur Papre pour libre, man. So madame, bon moon, but if you cross her, I've been beau.
Eh, mais c'est nous t'aider le Kelsey Love. Après le Kelsey Love, c'est moi tout le monde qui fait bail comme ça, c'est Love you know.
Oh, yeah.
Même pas changer nom d'aller là.
Oh yeah, pas really DJ Final Touch Love.
Yes.
Right, but being that it's Kelsey's birthday, right, Mitch? Don't you got something for her? Chante pour lui?
Yes, we do. Nous allons chanter happy birthday pour Kelsey là.
Oh yeah. Chante non.
Kelsey, this one is for you. Happy birthday to you. Shoot.
Oh Lord.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kelsey. Tonnerre. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Okay. So now.
How is this getting started?
No.
Yeah.
I'm back aquí to faire ça pour viewers. You connais?
Non, c'est mon yo ta
Nous gay artiste dans building now a fait déjà.
Non, mais Kelsey get to fall in love là.
Oh.
Shani Poo, ça passe. Kelsey get to fall in love.
Hey Kelsey.
Eh?
You see her name? Do you see her name? Okay.
Kelsey, oui. She's gonna be Kelsey Love.
Oh Jesus, no, it's Kelsey.
Kelsey Touchy Love.
No, kita na yun po, no. But anyways, the next song is dedicated to the birthday girl.
Yes.
Hope you're enjoying your day, and happy birthday from Hot World Radio.
Oui. Track la botte que même fin load même, non?
Oh.
Annie, what tu t'as dit happy birthday?
Ou fait mes mic là?
Kelsey birthday, not this time. Next time, wap di tout bagay sa yo. Kelsey kapato de so wap di. Alright, happy birthday to Kelsey, man. You know what I mean? Enjoy your day. This one right here is for you. Happy birthday.
Qui ça le fait?
Passé 65 jours que temps passé, tous mois que temps allé. Je dis à faire une année, c'est fait tout qui veut. Sans jour spécial lié, un jour pour s'élever, un jour pour pas oublier, pour toujours songer, songe tout pour prier, pour remercier mon Dieu, pour aller l'ajouter, yon belle fête.
Kompa. Bueno. Oh. Hey, Pinale.
Chantez.
Jodi a se fèt tout bon bagay yo se pou. Santé, bonheur, prospérité, yeah. Jodi a se fèt tout bon bagay yo se pou. Santé, bonheur, prospérité, yeah. Tout ça oublé, tout ça décidé. Si jou parliye, fête net allé. Si jou parliye, jou pou champagne coulé, jou pou gâteau coupé, pou fête net allé. Jodi a se fèt tout bon bagay yo se pou. Santé, bonheur, prospérité, yeah. Jodi a se fèt tout bon bagay yo se pou. Santé, bonheur, prospérité, yeah. Happy birthday,
Happy one be a hella.
happy birthday. Ma prière bon Dieu pour le bon, ça ouvre pour le bon, la santé, la prospérité.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Ma prière bon Dieu pour le bon, ça ouvre pour le bon, la santé, la prospérité.
It's your birthday. Gila. Ladies, baby, love. Sote quoi?
Yeah. Happy birthday to Kelsey.
Friday night.
Know the Kelsey a gon celebration on birthday bash kap fet la.
Yeah.
Ki lè sa yani?
Vendredi soir in City Limit, Kelsey birthday batch with DJ J-Rock, Club Basilique, DJ Firestarter, you know, the whole crew.
Apil go nou, men batan de go nou special batan de nou sa yo.
Kino, Final Touch? Final Touch, c'est
oui.
pareil pour pareil. You gotta
care.
earn your
Mwen pa
stripes.
evite Final Touch.
You gotta earn your stripes.
Mwen pa jam evite Final Touch. Mwen balre le DJ J-Rock, mwen DJ J-Rock, sa ka fel, mwen ba ham dan de DJ Final Touch nan roster, man.
He said you gotta earn your stripes. You gotta be about your business. You know how J-Rock is.
J-Rock toujou gon leson la pese ba moun nan la vi ya, men. J-Rock toujou gon leson la pese ba moun nan la. DJ Rock kon sa ke DJ Final Touch se gran moun liye, deja fin apren leson sa yo deja. Just metem nan raster ya, epi that's it.
Yeah, ben, why did
That's it. Epi apre sa lte vin fixe miko yo la, mwen ba se miko ya bay problem.
Yeah, believe it.
Miko yo ba le kampe.
Oh, man.
Wawan? So yes, nou genyen SHANEY POO avec Wedley in the building. Sa ka fet la, mesi.
How's everyone doing today? Well, tonight.
Everyone's good. Simple non audience lam tap di good. Yeah, alright. But pour le moment, everyone's good on behalf of everyone. SHANEY POO, what you got for the people out there, man? I heard you guys have a special event coming up.
Yeah, we do. On October 25th, which is a Sunday, we have an event called the Boston Renaissance.
The Boston Renaissance.
Yeah, Boston Renaissance.
Why don't you educate Munyo a little bit on what the Boston Renaissance stands for, brother?
Well, it just stands for bringing people in the city together. You know, we came up with the idea. We want to represent, you know, unity, love, and knowledge. And what other better way to do that is, you know, put on a great performance, bring together great people with great ideas who want to make change. You know, I'm gonna let Wedley speak a little bit about that as well.
Alright. So Wedley, what's good, man? I heard this actually you initiated this project, man. Ça a fait avec là.
Pas dire nous bonsoir parce que nous connaissons même si haïtien music on commence à bonsoir.
Okay.
But you know the Boston Renaissance is supposed to be. So I own a company called Scoops Incorporated.
Yeah.
And what my company is trying to do actually is create a platform, one centralized platform.
Yeah, Wedley, get a little bit closer to the mic a little.
So
yeah,
I own a company called Scoops Incorporated. I have a little voice, so y'all gonna have to get me a little bit.
I'm gonna have to boost your mic.
C'est ça qu'il faut besoin de J-Rock, oui.
So
J-Rock, vous attendez, mais on a besoin là, man. Pour venir kebe mic là directement devant Wedley.
So my company's called Scoops Incorporated, and what I'm trying to do with that is create one centralized platform for DJs, artists, and promoters, and even club owners at that point to sort of unite. Because I think the big issue now is like, you know, people are throwing events, people know about events, but there's not one platform or one place where you can go to find out what's going on for the night. Like right now, if you need to find out about an event going on Friday night, you should be able to go to one site and be like, okay, these are my options, and pick a place and kind of go. I think Tableless is doing something that is kind of unique, but Tableless is trying to make money with a different bracket. I think Eventbrite is doing something cool as well, but they're focused all over the place. I want to focus on the nightlife, the young people, the Haitian people, the artists, you know, people who are just really looking for the low-key spots, trying to have a good time, and that's what Scoops is about. So reached out to Shane with Blac Pop, we reached out to the gallery, and you know, I feel like I'm bringing in the new age, and that's what the Renaissance is all about. New age, new people, new knowledge, new wealth. So, you know, we're bringing that together, and we're sort of having a celebration of that, so that way we can launch on the 25th. My site will be out. SHANEY POO's album is out. We have Team Kingdom signed in Everett, Mass, who wonderful Haitian people, you know, choir background and everything, but they're doing phenomenal music as well.
Yep.
Shia Freak, phenomenal singer. She's doing her thing, so just, you know, bringing awareness to, you know, people like ourselves and giving us a platform to not only, you know, put together these events, but also sell the tickets. Why go to Eventbrite and pay another company to do all these things when we can do it ourselves?
True that. And so, Annie.
Hello, Miss Annie. Hello.
How are you?
I see you smiling.
Oh, yes. So what I want to know is, you're doing this event, and I'm listening, I'm taking notes, I'm paying attention to what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
So what's your next move after the event? Because it's one thing to do a show and put something together, but where are you trying to go after this event? What's your long-term goal?
That's a phenomenal question. I think for me, I can speak for Scoops. The big move for us that night is actually my launching. So at the end of that event, the website will be live. So if you're a DJ, if you're a promoter, if you're a club owner, you better get on that website right away, because I'm only letting that be free for so long. At the end of the day, this is a business too. The promotion aspect is free, but I'm also offering guest list management, sell your VIPs through me, and a lot more services. You know, promotional marketing, flyers, and, you know, the whole 9 yard, really, you can sort of get through me at this point. But at the same time, I'm not stopping there. So, you know, I'm already in the lookout for the next venue for the next event, because we got New Year's approaching. Halloween is like a week after that. So unfortunately, I can't do something for that. But I'm definitely aiming for something for the New Year's to sort of celebrate with, you know, unsigned artists. Because I think, you know, unsigned artists, they definitely have a voice out there. And they're the reason why we sort of log on and, you know, feed into the music culture. But at the same time, they're not making money like the rest of these people. And I think, you know, once you start controlling certain aspects of the entertainment industry, then you can make some serious noise.
Okay.
And also, what I just wanted to add was something very, very important that I see all the time is that artists we're taking advantage of in this world, and people don't realize that artists we're very, very important people in this world. We give birth to ideas and culture and sound. You know what I mean? So why not bring artists together, creative minds together, You know what I mean? To create a platform for us to not only express ourselves, but to innovate and go forward with something, and not just have the same old way Boston's been for X amount of years. You know what I mean? And so yeah, the Boston Renaissance, it speaks for itself. It's the resurgence of art, ideas, and culture within that culture crowd, if you want to call it. You know what I mean? That's really what I stand for as an artist.
Okay. I have a question for you. So with the unsigned artists that, you spoke about giving out unsigned artists a platform, what can you do for an unsigned? What is your company? What's the plan for your company? What are they going to do for the unsigned artists?
I'm glad that you asked that, because I think it's funny, because I talk to a lot of artists and they're like, oh man, that sounds great. But a lot of them really don't ask me, oh, so you're promoting for me? What else are you doing for me? So the beautiful thing about it is credit card processing is actually one of the best ways to make money in this country. It's actually one of the ways I've sort of learned myself to sort of, okay, I have a little bit of money, let me flip it, let me get into this, and I'll make a little bit of money back. But I think a lot of people are not aware of that. So with a company like Eventbrite, for example, for you to sell tickets through them, they have fees. They obviously make money off of each swipe. Now, the beauty behind my company is I'm charging less than what they're charging you to post their events on there. To post your event on there on my site, it's completely free. So that's first and foremost. Second, now if you want to sell tickets through me and everything, it's a $5 fee. But the beauty behind that is every ticket you sell is going to be tracked through my website. So over the year, if you sell 50,000 tickets through my website, at the end of that year, you will get an email from my company, and this is going to tell you how much money you as an individual generated from my company. Now, 50% of whatever you generated is going towards an event that's going to host all the artists that has sold through the year for me. So if you sold, whether you sold 5 tickets through me or you sold 50,000 tickets through me, the goal is at the end of the year we're gonna have one big, basically an OVO fest of our own, taking control back of that, because at the same time you guys gotta sell merchandise, sell your CDs and everything. So the money you sell through me is being reinvested right back into you as an artist and giving you an even bigger stage combined with everybody else who supports me. Because in you supporting me, I'm turning right back around and saying I'm supporting you as an artist and giving you a bigger stage.
I like that. I like that. All right, so with this event that's coming, before we get back into music, with this event, what can people expect? We know it's the launching. What can people expect?
I think I'm gonna take the mic away from Shane for this, SHANEY POO for this, because I'm so eager about it.
Man, do it, man. Do what you gotta do, man.
I'm so eager about it for the simple fact that I think when people think about hip hop, I think people think about like either like Lil Wayne or like Erykah Badu, like on some like really like 2 different styles of hip hop type. You know what I'm saying? But I think this show is gonna bring together like some Shy Freak again, so soulful. Right, but at the same time, we got artists from Kingdom Sound who are 3 different artists with 3 different styles of rapping that people are not gonna expect it. We got this guy Ed Balloon, who I first seen him, I was like, whoa, where did this come from? Mm-hmm. And if you heard any of SHANEY POO's music, at the end of the day, like he's not typical, and that's what I wanted to hit people with, because at the end of the day, the Renaissance is supposed to scare you a little bit. It's supposed to sort of open your eyes a little bit, and it's supposed to make you realize, like, yo, it's a time of change. So that's really what I wanted to kind of give people with the show. That's why the roster is really the way it is. Philly Dimes, who hasn't done a lot of shows, but at the same time he's gonna bring some energy that I think people just haven't seen before. Phenomenal performer, and he doesn't even have that many shows under his belt. So I think people are going to be surprised by a lot of what we've kind of chosen, how we've chosen the roster to be, and just the talent that's going to be on the stage that night.
Okay, so that's what's up. So the event is Sunday, October 25th.
Sunday, October 25th.
Caesar, 6 p.m.
Caesar.
6 p.m. That means on time, people.
That means
6 p.m. at Berklee. Would you give them the address, your social media, all the info, so everybody can know where to keep in touch with you?
All right, it's 931 Berklee Street, Boylston Street. I'm sorry, Berklee College of Music. And if please, if you're a DJ, if you're a promoter, if you're an artist, you definitely want to show up and network, because like I said, my website in particular is for you guys. SHANEY POO is always looking to network with new artists. Shire Freak is always looking to network with artists. Philly Dimes is always looking to network with artists. So that's going to be the phenomenal thing, because we want to give you guys a platform to, network and sort of meet with us. By all means, look us up on Facebook, Scoupes Incorporated, and Scoupes is spelled SCOUPES. Then that's SCOUPES. So please follow, like, and spread the word with us.
SCOUPES.
So when they say ICM, so back I play normal.
And then we have Blac Pop, BLACPOP.com.
Exactly.
Okay.
Blac
Pop, because love always conquers.
Because
Always
love
conquers.
always
Yes sir, yes sir.
Non, so
like
ou konen son afe de bay Creole kap pale la, so fon di bagay la correct. Love always conquers.
Conquers.
Conquers. Pas même di bagay la bon.
Oh,
Pas
conquers,
bon.
oui.
Soit traduit, faut di bagay la bien.
Kien vous di la ni?
M'baka di, c'est ça qu'on va dire.
Eh bien, même comment di ba la correct la. Love always conquers.
Love always conquers.
Blac Pop.
Creole.
Because love
English.
always conquers.
Oh, wait. Because love always conquers. Okay?
Wait, so
huh?
we about to go into this next track, right?
Yeah.
And we'll let him introduce his own track.
SHANEY POO.
Oh yeah. This song right here is a song, SHANEY POO featuring Shy Freak. It's on my debut album, Touched by an Angel, available now on blackpop.com. This one is called Palm. Alright, enjoy it. Blah.
Tonight is the I'm glad I spend it with you. Tonight is the night. I'm glad I spend it with you. Tonight is the night. I'm glad I spend it with you. Tonight is the night. I'm glad I spend it with you.
Treat you right. I hold you close, and I'll never let you go. I'm staying tonight. On top of the clouds, I hear your love is calling for my name. I know in my soul that you gon' feel the same, and that's the truth in each and every way. So tonight we gonna come and celebrate.
Tonight is the night. I'm glad I spend it with you. Tonight is the night. I'm glad I spend it with you. Tonight is the night. I'm glad I spend it with you. Tonight is the night. I'm glad I spend it with you.
Always treat you right. I hold you close, and I'll never let you go. I'm staying tonight.
Let's celebrate love, celebrate life, celebrate the fact we all here tonight. Doesn't even matter if you're black or white. It doesn't even matter if you're paper right. We all came out to relieve the stress. Pour it up, smoke cess, and forget the rest. I never would have guessed I would be this blessed, cause I was raised in the world I consider a mess. One time for the true men in the crowd. Real kings don't need to wear a crown. Stay well connected like cable. More stable than an 8 like a table. 2 times for the women and the children. Nothing in this world give me greater feeling than staring in the eyes of the future. So all my ladies hold it down like you used to. Doesn't mean you can't show a little bit though. Doesn't mean you can't twerk a little bit though. This world's in due for a new rebirth. Everything's brand new from your shoes to your shirt. Hallelujah like a new church. Hallelujah like a black church. Hallelujah like a white church. Because tonight is the night. I'm glad I spend it with you. Tonight is the night. I'm glad I spend it with you. Tonight is the night. I'm glad I spend it with you. Tonight is the night. I'm glad I spend it with you.
I always treat you right. I hold you close, and I never let you go. I'm staying tonight, 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 tonight,
I can never pass up, I lay it down. Long back strokes in the middle of the ocean. I'ma need that dope face down. If I get in, then I just might.
Hey, it's your boy Shaney Poo, and I want to invite all of you to the Boston Renaissance. Presented to you by Blac Pop, Scoupes Incorporated, and Gallery Aida. Sunday, October 25th. Performances by Shaney Poo, yours truly, Shy Freak, EK, Philly Dimes, KO, Cyclone, Ben P, Ed Balloon, Nuff Said, and more. Doors open at 6, show 7:30. Berklee College of Music, 921 Boylston Street, 921 Boylston Street. Admission only $10.
Just take my Louis rag out and wear it.
Yes, it's Miss Annie. Check me live on Tuesdays at 8 p.m. on Hot World Radio. Kompa Xtreme with my man, DJ Final Touch.
Yo titi kalo vie pa même nan CIA. Sensible à la gâchette. Yo di ki chaka ve pa même nan CIA. Sensible à la gâchette. Yo di ka dekleni pa même nan CIA. Sensible à la gâchette. Fanatique arrive pa même nan CIA. Sensible à la gâchette. Ça ka passé. Yo plan pays moins, contrôler moins, ça gagne la caille. You prend pays moins, mais you contrôle moins, ça qu'a passé. Prend pays moins, contrôle moins, ça gagne la caille. Si vous avez Haïti, criez. FBI, TEA, mes amis. Musique ça va se passer, bon ça fait des hommes pas ouais, pays moins changé. Ça fait des hommes qui t'aiment. Qu'il marque misère, plutôt fait ménager. Fais semblant ça va changer, plutôt fait ménager. Si petit pas nous partout, mais les amis. Dis-moi, oh. Sans bosser lié, dis-moi qui s'en va le faire. Changer mentalité, bon. Pays en danger, pas qu'il y ait personne qui décide les vents. Oh yo, plutôt déchet. Fais semblant ça va changer, plutôt faire m'aider. Dis petit pas nous pas tourner des amis. Haïti moi, sans bosser lié, FBI, TEA, mes amis, FBI, TEA, en alerte. Sopodone. Salut, Cuba. Attention, tout le monde, applaudez pour les voleurs, on va tirer. Bang. Big man to the groove, tout le monde sait. Licky, big my own just Montreal. Bang, licky bang. Tout le monde sait.
pas on jette si mon Dieu. Yo dit qu'à l'eau, viens pas même si y'a sensible à la cachette. Yo dit Richard Cavé va même si y'a oh, sensible à la cachette. Yo dit qu'à des clés, va même si y'a sensible à la cachette. Fanatique arrive, va même si y'a oh, sensible à la cachette. Bang, bang, licky, bang, bang, licky, bang. Tout le monde sait, we kill it. Pays pas on jette si mon Dieu. Bang, bang, licky, bang, bang, licky, bang. Tout le monde sait. Pays pas on jette si mon Dieu. Yo dit garde clé, va même si y'a sensible à la cachette. Yo dit garde Richard, va même si y'a oh, sensible à la cachette. Yo dit garde chef, va même si y'a sensible à la cachette. Fanatique Caribe, en alerte, combat. Oh, maman, Blac chéri, la vie a débarqué. Ouais. Combat. Ça va passer. Dans pays moins, contrôlez-moi, ça qui est là. Dans pays moins, contrôlez-moi, ça va passer. Dans pays moins, contrôlez-moi, ça qui est là. Viens. Oh, maman, Valérie chérie, FBI a débarqué. Ouais. Combat. Tout le monde sait. Pays bas on jette ce bon Dieu. Bang, bang, licky, bang, licky, bang. Tout le monde sait. Pays bas on jette ce bon Dieu. Yo dit qu'à l'eau, viens pas même si y'a oui, sensible à la cachette. Yo dit Richard Cavé va même si y'a oh, sensible à la cachette. Yo dit garde clé, va même si y'a sensible à la cachette. Fanatique Caribe, jazz mauvais. Ouais, jazz mauvais. Poussez, quitte le marché. Ça y est. Oui, les gens just mauvais. Y'a des gens just mauvais. Oui, les gens just mauvais. Y'a des gens just mauvais. Oui, les gens just mauvais. Y'a des gens just mauvais. Oui, les gens just mauvais. Y'a des gens just mauvais. Levez, s'il vous plaît, poussez. Ouais. Tenez ça, quitte le marché. Salier, le nul-logue. Ouais, m'attendez. Plus fort. Posez. Plus fort. Do the choo-choo train, come on now. Plus fort. Do the choo-choo train, come on now. Plus fort. Do the choo-choo train, come on now. Plus fort. Do the choo-choo train, come on. Plus fort. Do the choo-choo train, come on now. Levez la main, levez. Poussez. Prenez la gueule. Go. Kompa. What? Kompa. Passez. Hey. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Hey. Whoa. Hey. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I Am Beautiful Moi presents their first Women Empowerment Conference, Unleashing the Beauty of a Woman. We will be partnering with Prayer Love Tabernacle Saturday, October 24th, 2015 at 6 p.m. at the Antenna, 43 Scanlon Drive in Randolph. Tickets are $50. A portion of the proceeds will go to the Breast Cancer Foundation, Susan G. Komen, and to the kids of New England Baptist Academy. The event will consist of raffles, vendors, singers, dancers, speakers, fashion show, 3-course meal, and we will be honoring 2 breast cancer survivors as a surprise. Tickets are available on eventbrite.com or on our website, iambeautifulmoi.com, iambeautifulmoi.com. Or you can call us at 781-803-7218. This event is sponsored by Pearl of Tabernacle, Eagle Eye Production, New England Baptist Academy, Tracy Lynn Jewelry, Self-Made Image, Shannon Owens, City of Boston, NAACP, Power 102.1, Susan G. Komen, Tupperware, The Lantana, As I Am Design, and Hot World Radio, Unleashing the Beauty of a Woman. Saturday, October 24th at the Lantana in Randolph. The dress code is a formal attire, no sneakers, no hats, no jeans. Whoop whoop, see you there.
Secular. What a day.